Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the US. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to Buffalo and have some fun. Today you're going to learn how to do wings. This is definitely for intermediate to advanced tappers. Be very careful. You definitely want to use 2 sturdy chairs or 1 sturdy bar. The first sound is the hardest. Why? Because you kind of sickle your foot. What does sickle mean? Well, you go like this, okay? But when you're doing that, you're actually making a sound with your foot using that outer part of your tap. And it should sound like a scrape sound. So when you're first learning it, just do the step first on just 1 foot so you can kind of hear and feel what that feels like at the same time. So you're going to scrape with your right foot, scrape, and then do a brush step, brush step. Try it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Use your arm strength, use the chairs, whether it's the chair or a supportive ballet bar, and then you're going to try doing both feet at the same time and push off with your arms so that you're going upward. The oxymoron is you can't go too high, because if you go too high, they become this, air taps. And if there's nothing I can't stand more than seeing a show where people are doing wings or trying to do wings and it's air taps. We don't want that, okay? So put your hands on your chairs. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Once you get past that and you feel you've mastered it, you can use a partner and they could hold your hands and help you get up to get that sensation of almost doing it by yourself without using a chair. And then if you feel you've gotten that good enough, then try it with nobody and no chairs. But when you do it, definitely use your arms. There's a reason why that when you see a lot of performers doing wings, they're going like this with their arms, because it serves 2 purposes. It looks freaking cool, but it also helps you to get off the ground. So now I'm going to ditch my chairs. And then if you want to try with me, let's try it with our arms. So each time that you're going like that with your feet, you're going to circle your arms around, keep your back nice and supported, your posture nice and fabulous. And let's try it. A 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Now try to do them back to back, 8 of them in a row, more quickly. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, 6, and a 7, and a 8. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.